In 2016, a young Igbo woman walked through the doors of the National Institute of Dramatic Art, Australia's most prestigious drama school, to begin her Bachelor of Fine Arts in acting. She had no way of knowing that within a decade, she would be sharing the screen with Russell Crowe, appearing in a Godzilla blockbuster and sharing an Emmy-winning Netflix series. This is not a story about luck. Her name is Chika, an Igbo name meaning God is supreme. And this is the story of a woman who lived up to every single syllable of her name. Chika Ikogwe was born in Nigeria and moved to Australia at a young age. In her own words, the journey wasn't easy. She has spoken about navigating genuinely challenging circumstances growing up. But Igbo excellence teaches us something powerful. Struggle is not the end of a story. It's the soil. From that soil, something extraordinary grew. After high school, Chika enrolled at the Victorian College of Arts before transferring to NIDA in 2016, graduating in 2018 with a Bachelor of Fine Arts in acting. The recognition followed fast. The 2018 BBM Youth Support Award in drama, the 2018 Leslie Walford AM Award, Best Newcomer at the 2019 Sydney Theatre Awards, the 2020 ATYP Rose Bryan Emerging Female Leader Scholarship Award, and the 2022 Glorious Award. That is not luck. That is a pattern. The pattern of relentless talent meeting relentless work. Then came the roles that carried her name across the world. She made her television debut in the title role of ABC's Mickey vs. the World. She joined the cast of Heartbreak High on Netflix, a series that won an Emmy and a double ACTA award, and earned her own performance an Equity Award nomination. She stood alongside Russell Crowe in the feature film Land of Bad. She appeared in Godzilla x Kong, The New Empire, and on stage, she led the sold-out production of 7 Methods of Killing Kyle, winning Most Outstanding Performer at the 2024 Green Room Awards. This is an Igbo woman who doesn't just enter rooms, she commands them. But Chika refused to only be cast in stories. She started writing them. She has written for Stan and the ABC, co-directed the short film Dog Eats World, and has projects in development, including the TV series Just Chidi Things, executive produced by Rose Bryan and Ogechi Salon. Stories rooted in authentic Afrocentric representations. She didn't just ask for a seat, she built the table. Somewhere, right now, a young Igbo girl feels unseen, like greatness belongs to someone else. Chika Ikogwe's journey says otherwise. From an NIDA classroom in 2016 to sharing a screen with Hollywood royalty to writing her own stories on her own terms. This is Igbo excellence, and this is what happens when a name, God is supreme, becomes a prophecy fulfilled.
And I was like, I'm going to audition and I'm going to get in. And I didn't the first 2 times, which was fine. Got in on my 3rd attempt at auditioning for NIDA. So if you want something, if I want something, I'm like, I'm going to get it. You have to be your biggest cheerleader and just believe that everything that you want is possible. I think any opportunity to be on set and film something is such a beautiful opportunity to learn. Even though I did have the experience of going to drama school, I feel like I'm still learning a lot about the process each time I do a different job. So it was really, special. Feel very blessed.
Heartbreak kind of broke a lot of ground.
Yeah, I agree. I think it definitely broke a lot of ground. The stories were not tokenistic or using people's cultural or sexual or whatever identities in a really surface level way to sell a story. Everyone just got to play a teenager, which I think is really fun and is a really great place for Australia to be in, because I don't think we have done that. We haven't just let people of colour be people and teenagers and play the whole range of things.
And it makes everything global, right?
Absolutely.
When people, the common thing is seeing just a human experience. Can you tell me a bit about Land of Bad?
I don't know how much I'm allowed to say because it hasn't come out yet, but
a little spoiler.
A little spoiler. The actual experience was it was really amazing to be around people of that caliber. So in the cast were people like Russell Crowe and Liam Hemsworth, and there were just some really amazing creatives as well. The first scene I did, if I remember correctly, was with Russell Crowe. So I was like prepping myself in the trailer and I was like, yep, I'm all good, like it's gonna be fine. And then Russell walks in and all of a sudden I was like, oh my God, like what? And I was being so awkward and it ended up being fine, but just had to overcome that because I think just remind yourself that you're meant to be here.
Are you able to share anything from JCT?
Yeah.
I didn't want to say the name.
JCT, Just Chitty Things. I think we already said it. Yeah. Just Chitty Things is a semi-autobiographical television series I'm developing at the moment, which you were in the room for, and it was amazing. Yeah, but semi-autobiographical series based on some of the events that have happened in my life. I'm really excited about it, and I want to see it.
It's really
cool. I want to watch it. Yeah.
What do you reckon younger Chika would be saying about you now?
Oh my gosh. I think that I'd be so happy and so giddy and like, oh my gosh, like we're doing that? You're lying, like we're doing that. Even now, I do get like really giddy even like at the age that I'm at, and just like I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it, but also I can because we work really hard for this, but also oh my gosh, that's that person, okay, be cool, they're walking past, okay, oh my gosh, it is. So yeah, younger Chika's still very much with me, and we are very grateful and very just take it all in. I don't take it for granted. It's an immense privilege to be able to do all of this.
If you enjoyed watching this beautiful documentary about Chika Ikogwe, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for supporting N1 Cultural Forum. Look through our channel. You will find so many other interesting videos you can watch. Watch them, share them, and leave a comment down below. My name is Prince Onwadenim Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune, and I will see you in my subsequent videos. Bye-bye.
Hey.